Welcome to this unboxing of a Monitor Audio Creator Series In-Ceiling speaker. Our fresh approach to architectural speakers, delivering high quality sound and design features to make it quicker and easier to install. Before we get started, remember to like and comment on this video. If you want to see more great content from Monitor Audio, subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications about future videos. For this video, we're going to be unboxing a Creator Series C3M In-Ceiling speaker. Inside the outer carton, you'll find an inner box. You can leave this box inside the outer carton, but we'll remove it to take a closer look inside. Inside the box you'll find a quick start guide, a cutout template, and the grill for your speaker. And underneath this cardboard, you'll find the speaker itself. The box and packing materials are all made out of cardboard, making it 100% recyclable. Lastly, remove the speaker from its protective packaging. And there's the C3M In-Ceiling speaker ready to be installed. The intuitive quick link terminal comes pre-attached to the speaker. If you'd like to know more about Creator Series, take a look at our Creator Series section on YouTube or visit monitoraudio.com. See you next time.